Are you ready to go to Bicol to see your cousins?
Yes!
Show me all the bags that you have. See all these bags right here? That's just Arlene's. You know a little bit about packing light, huh? I finally got my Joe Drive. Finally got the chance to try it. Cafe Swada, iced Vietnamese latte. What do it say here? 9 hours and 10 minutes left. Finally made it to Naga City last night, early in the morning. Actually, it was around 2 a.m. where we made it to Naga City. So we're having breakfast right now. This is our room here. It was $1,200 for 12 hours. Not bad. Bathroom. So let's see if we have a view here, guys. I bet you it's a really nice view. Not really. Just a whole bunch of I'll show you guys outside later, because we're in a room just like that right there, where you just park your car in the garage and then you go upstairs and your room is right there. So anyways, we're gonna eat some breakfast and then we're off to Buhi. Say good morning.
Good morning, Jesse.
Okay. So we're gonna show you what's down here. Go down these stairs here. This is where the car park is. Right there. Hi, Peepa. That's our car rental, so it's not our car. So if you're looking for a car rental in the Philippines, look up Breck's Car Rentals. So this is where we're at here. This is how it looks. The back end and then the front. Okay. So we'll see you when we see you. We'll see you guys when we get there. We finally made it to Buhi. Here's the house here that Arlene grew up in. So I'll take you guys on a little tour. This is the outside, the very front. That satellite dish doesn't work right now. We need to replace it. So we're gonna go in through this side entrance here. This is back behind here is where Arlene's brother lives. So we're gonna go in through here. Hi, baby. Say hello. So this is the main area here. Whoa, careful. You can see that's the ceiling right here. All open. See that? Let me show you the room that we're staying in here. This is where we're sleeping. Once the baby's getting a little close, we're gonna get a hotel closer to the clinic. And then the second room is more of a storage area right now. I see. And you can see there's just a wall that divides each room. Okay. And then we come in here. Just here's another angle here. How's my girls doing? Because playing with her iPad here. The signal is not that great here. Wi-Fi is not good here, so I'm gonna have to go to Eureka City and do all my work, all my editing. And so here's the kitchen area. This is where we eat, right here. That's where we eat. This is our neighbor's house. So we got a refrigerator. That's a laundry, laundry machine. Okay. So this is where we eat. And then this is so that was just the dining area. So here's the kitchen area. They used to have an open kitchen right here, but that's all closed off. And then so we're gonna put one of those portable stoves right here because we used to have one, but it lasted like 5 years, so we need to replace it. But this is is basically the kitchen. And we got one portable stove right there. So some glasses. And then there's a window that goes into the other room there. And so you can see the roof. Nothing special. I mean, the house, you know. And then actually, this is the back. That right there is basically the outhouse, the bathroom. So it might not look like much, but guys, this house has been through all the typhoons. And it has withstand strong winds, and there's a lot of houses here much nicer than this house that they didn't make it through the typhoons, but this house is still here. So this is something special. This is where Arlene and Pipa was born here. So Fifi's gonna be born here too. Right, baby? Alright, that's the end of the tour, guys. Day 2 here in Buhi. Say bye, baby.
Say bye, Pipa.
Let's see what she's doing. She's doing some coloring here. Okay. Say bye-bye, baby. She's busy.